Hello math learners! Welcome to another session here in Math Learning with Sir Ash. This is still your free access YouTube edu creator, Math Teacher Ash. And today, I'm gonna teach you a multiplication trick on how to multiply numbers with the use of the divisors of the powers of 10. In this video, you will learn a new way of multiplying numbers by the use of this kind of trick. But if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated of these cool clear math videos just like this. Hello math learners! Welcome to another session here in Math Learning with Sir Ash. Today, we're going to discuss a simple multiplication trick on how to multiply numbers by divisors of powers of 10. So, hopefully, you can get the simple trick out of this discussion. Let's start! Okay, now my dear math learners, we have here our first problem. We have 16 times 25. So, how do you get the answer of this without using the traditional method? Okay, now, remember that 25 is a quotient of the powers of 100. Because if you consider, 25 is the result when you divide 100 by 4. Right? So 100 divided by 4, that is 25. So by doing this, my dear math learners, basically, you can apply or you can solve this easily. Why? Because you can now divide 16 by 4 and then just multiply it by 100. So 16 divided by 4, that is 4 times 100, and 4 times 100 is very much easy, and the answer is 400. Easy, right? Now, how about our second problem? We have 38 times 25. We could write this as 38 times 100 over 4. Okay? So 38 cannot be divided by 4, right? But we can do this one like 38 over 4. We can transfer our over 4 here because that is the concept of ratio and proportion. Okay? So, we can now multiply it to 100. Now, 38 over 4 can be lowest term into 19 over 2 times 100. You divide both numerator and denominator by 2. Now, 19 over 2, what is half of 19? And that is 9.5. So, 9.5 times 100, that would be very easy. And the final answer is 950. Easy, right? So, now let us go to our next example. What if we have a decimal number times 25? So, basically, this 1.7 here, you can convert this into a fraction, and that will become 17 over 10. Because 17 divided by 10, that is 1.7. Okay? Then, you convert 25 into powers of 100. So, that is 100 over 4. Same as earlier. Okay? So, what we will do is, you can interchange them. So, this will become 17 over 4 times 100 over 10. So, basically, you have now 17 over 4 times 10. Because 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay. So, when you divide 17 over 4, that would give you 4.25. Then, you just multiply it by 10. So, the final answer would be 42.5. Easy, right? Now, how about other numbers? Okay, math learners, for our second set, we have 32 times 125, and the second part is 78 times 125. So, how do we multiply this easily? Now, remember that 125 is still a quotient of the powers of 10. Why? Because 125 is the result when you divide 1,000 by 8. 1,000 divided by 8, the answer is 125, right? So, by doing so, you can have this problem as 32 over 8 times 1,000. So, 32 divided by 8, that is 4. 4 times 1,000, of course, that is very easy. The final answer is 4,000. Easy, right? Now, let's go here. 78 times 125. Okay, so what you will do is, you convert your 125 into the powers of 10. So that will become 1,000 over 8. Okay? And then, you can transfer the over 8 to your 78 here. So you can simplify it. Okay? So having this, you can get the lowest term by dividing it by, I think, 2. So what is the half of 78? That is 39. So you have 39 over 4. And then, times 1,000. Now, 39 over 4, you could just divide 39 by 4. And the answer would be 9.75. And then, you multiply it by 1,000. So you will have 9,750. And that will be your final answer. Easy, right? Now, how about another 2 more examples? Okay, math learners, for our final set of examples, we have 48 times 50 and 65 times 20. Of course, 50 is still a quotient in the powers of 10. So you will have 48 times 100 over 2, right? Now, having this, you can divide 48 by 2 and the answer is 24 times 100 and the final answer is 2,400. Easy, right? Now, how about here? 65 times 20. So, 20 is still a result from the division of the powers of 10. And that is basically 100 over 5, right? Okay. So, 100 over 5, that is 20. Now, what you can do is, you can transfer the 5 here. Okay. And 65 divided by 5, that is 13. 13 times 100, and you will have a final answer of 1,300. Easy, right? So now, my dear math learners, I hope you have a wonderful time in learning this simple trick of multiplying numbers by the divisors of powers of 10. Now, this is the time that I will challenge you whether you have understood our topic, and here it is. Okay, math learners, I hope you have a wonderful time about our topic for today. This is still your free access YouTube edu creator, Math Teacher Ash. And always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. If you are enjoying our videos, I hope you can share this to your fellow friends, classmates, and schoolmates. Always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. Thank you so much, God bless, and keep safe always. Congratulations, math learners, for arriving to this part of the video. If you think that this video have helped you, click that like button. And if you think that this channel can change the way you see mathematics, do not forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.